Easy DIY floating writing desk. Easy DIY floating writing desk. What we're going to make today is a floating desk. And I figured, hey, we got floating shelves. Let's make us a little floating desk. Everything today is going to be made from scrap wood. Y'all know me. I don't like to waste anything. And if I can be creative enough and make something out of the stuff I've already got in the shop, then that's what we're going to do. Top, bottom, drawer face, drawer runners, frame for the desk, and the faceplate. All right, y'all, let's get started. All right, so the dimensions for the desk are going to be 29 inches by 11.5 inches. We're just putting our bottom on temporarily because our drawer will sit right here. This is the most basic of basic drawer assemblies. Okay, so this is the area that we're going to put our floating writing desk. Remember I said we had floating shelves? So we're gonna do a little floating desk to go with it. Now what we need to do is mark for our studs. And anywhere that we don't have a stud, what we're going to use is the anchors that we used before. These are the anchors I was telling y'all about. If you don't have a stud anywhere, and they're rated for 50 pounds each. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the base of the floating desk and set it up and mark on it where the studs are so that I can go ahead and pre-drill. So I ran into a couple snafus with this wall. So what we're going to use now are these brackets on two ends along with these and screws. Sometimes you just got to use your head. It is functional. So we ran into another little snafu with the drawer, and I had to cut off a little bit of it, and I cut that off with this. And the reason why we had to do that was because, let me bring y'all in closer. It was hitting right in there and wouldn't allow me to open it. So I needed to measure and cut that little piece off. Now it works perfectly. Okay, yeah. We got it up. It's quite sturdy. It's level. Now, I'm a big girl, so I'm not going to try to test the strength of this by sitting on it, but just trust me.